All right, guys, today we are going to be making a delicious poke bowl, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by chopping up our green onion, some cucumber, some avocado, also the green onion, we're keeping the white and the green part. Dice all of that up, and then we're going to put sriracha and mayo in a bowl and mix that all up together because we're going to put our ahi tuna in that after we cut it. So dice up your ahi tuna, just take one steak, and then you're going to slice it and slice it and slice it, essentially. And then we're going to mix it up in our spicy mayo and set that to the side. We're going to take our bowl with our cauliflower rice in it and then add our shrimp. I did just like cocktail shrimp because it's small. And then we're going to put in our ponzu sauce and our imitation crab. And then we're going to drizzle our spicy mayo over the top of it. And then we're going to drizzle a soy glaze, or you'll hear this as like eel sauce. It's literally just like sugar and soy sauce, and it's one of my favorite things in this entire world. Like, I could eat it every second of every single day. It's so good. After that, we're going to put our spicy tuna on top, and then we're going to add our cucumber. We're going to add our avocado, our green onions, and then we're going to add some crunched up sesame or seaweed, and then just crunchy garlic on top, and that's it. Honestly, just mix up all the ingredients, but this is so freaking good. Anyways, bon appetit, y'all.